Alright, so habang inaantay natin yung mga teammates natin, check out lang natin tong ating B&B house. Ito yung garage. Ito yung some of the bikes. Okay, we have Triumph Scrambler 400X. So kita natin nakalagay na yung mga tent. And we have the hydro pack. We have the handlebar bags. Kanya-kanyang diskarte kung paano ang pag-load ng luggage. Ito kay Cinemoto, kay Wax. We have the Moscow. Okay. Ito naman yung bikes namin, nila Jong. We have the KTMs. This is my bike, the 790. Jong has the 390. Yan naman yung setup ni Jong. Okay, this is my setup. I'm the only one with solid top box, and this is fortified, so, and trail tested, and then in-expand ko na lang with the Immortal bag sa taas. This one is kay Maverick. Okay, so we have the tents, gears. So essentially it's light packing for all of us, dahil syempre kung papasok tayo sa bundok, magti-trail tayo, we're prepared for camping. Pero we don't want to bring too much weight because it adds up sa difficulty of riding a big adventure bike in an off-road section. And of course, we're expecting unknown terrain para sa amin. Yeah, just expecting the worst conditions, which is hopefully hindi naman mangyari yun. Okay, we have Patrick's bike. Ducati, our only Ducati in the team. Okay, so he has the pannier setup, tank bag. Kay Hali, he has the minimalist side panniers and the bags. Okay, Milo has the FKM Falcon 400X, Falcon X400. Okay, so he has the side panniers. This looks like a first aid kit. And so basically we have two teams. We have RAMTAT SP. So sila Jong, they're part of Salon Pass or SP. Then kami naman, we're part of RAMTAT EO, which is stands for Efficacent Oil. Okay, so that's yun yung two teams. So we're a total of 10. And then we have support. Na ipapakilala ko din sa inyo yung ating mga support members, which we're very happy na kasama namin sila dito sa ating FJ Rally 2026. Okay, so we have the mandatory FJ stickers. Yan, those are our numbers. Nakalagay siya sa harap. Pagka wala kang windscreen, you can put it sa fender. Okay, then we have our sponsors, Moto Market, Ride Academy, Pinstripe. We have Grit. We have Moto World. We have Absolute Rider. Okay, let's show the Absolute Rider. There's the sample of the Absolute Rider. Yeah, so it's essentially it's more than a navigation device, and hindi niya kailangan yung phone mo. It can work independently. So thank you, Absolute Rider. Of course, cameras yan front and back. This is our team name, RAMTAT. Of course, we have Senna. Okay, so ito, pagtanggalin natin to, this is the Senna. Yan, Senna. Yan yung the Senna. There are updated ones available now in the market. And then I put here Forma boots. Okay, that's what some of us are wearing. Okay, some are wearing O'Neill. And then we have the LS2. Ayun, LS2. Ay, hindi, ba't ba ito? The helmet pala. Okay, so we have LS2. We also have Nolan helmets. So I'm wearing this the second year after this this rally. I-retire ko na yung helmet na to. So I'm just gonna display this. Yung mga new issued LS2 natin, we have the Explorer full carbon helmet. Okay, so napakaganda. That's the LS2 full carbon Explorer. Then we have the Nolan N72X. Yan, ito kay Maverick. So this one is a hybrid helmet. So pwede mo tanggalin yung chin, pwede mo tanggalin yung kanyang visor. Okay, so very flexible tong helmet na ito. And you can put the usual Nolan, the emergency stop system, and it has the integrated NCOM, which is interfaces with Sena, no problem. Spin lock ready. Yan, so napakaganda. So thank you very much. Yeah, you can see those stickers all around our bikes. So yun guys, we're preparing, and later we're gonna move to our photo shoot area. Syempre, habang may time and para we can do load test sa bikes, okay, with at least 80% ng mga load namin or ng dala namin, matest na namin ngayon. Malapit lang pala yung river dito. And the convention center is just across over there, na takluban lang ng puno. Pero kita mo na yung convention center. So, yeah, very near, like 10 minutes away.
Nakatulong sana yan nung nagano tayo.
Sobra ka, Por!
Sobra.
Joke lang, wala. Kaya na.
Okay na, Por.